So welcome to the very first module of this week, and the name of this module is Understanding Goals and Conversions. As the name suggests, in this module we will learn the concept of goals and conversions in digital marketing. We will also learn how to use the Google Analytics to define and track the goals of your business. So under this module, you will specifically learn what are goals and their types, how to set goals in Google Analytics, how to study various conversion reports of Google Analytics. So to begin with, firstly I will explain the concept of goals in digital marketing, and then I will directly jump to the Google Analytics interface to learn more about setting of the goals practically. So what are goals? In the past, I have discussed many times that goals are always defined in the context of the website. Let me give you few examples here. Suppose you are a blogger and you have designed a very good website. Now tell me, what will be your goal? Just think for a while. Yes, you might be thinking that maximum visitors should come to your blog. They should read your blog articles. They should spend time on your website. They should subscribe to your blogs. It is perfectly right. In digital marketing terminology, these are your goals that you want to achieve through the website. Similarly, for e-commerce website, goals may be selling of products. For educational institution, it may be downloading of the brochure. For online education institution, it may be joining of online courses, and so on. So every website or a business has goals. According to Google Analytics, goals are versatile ways to measure how well your site or app fulfill the targeted objectives. But the main question is how to track our goals, whether we have achieved our goals or not. Frankly telling, Google Analytics has no idea about what our goals are, and it will not track any goal of our website until we ask it to track. Actually, first we have to tell to Google Analytics that what our goals are. Only then it will start tracking. So let us go to the Google Analytics interface to understand the process of defining the goals. This is the place where we have to set the goals. Presently, we have opened our demo account as goals are already set under demo account, so it will not be possible for me to show you how to set the goals from scratch. In this case, we have to change our property to the original property that we have created at the time of Google Analytics account setup. It is very simple. Go to the master view and select an appropriate property. I am selecting dMOOC, that is my website. In your case, you have to select the property that belongs to you. Now we are in the dashboard of our original property, that is dMOOC. Now click on Conversion, then Goals and Overview. See, as we haven't defined any goal, so Google Analytics is asking to set up goals. This report requires goals to be defined. Here is the brief description of what goals are and what are various types of goals along with the examples. I have already explained what goals are and why there is a need to define the goals for tracking purpose. This is very good example of goals, that is thank you page or download complete. I am going to explain all these examples in a while. To start with, click on Setup Goals. This is the place where we have to define our goals, and at present we don't have any goal. Click on New Goal. There are two ways to define the goals. Either you can select a template from the given options like revenue, acquisition, inquiry, and engagement. You can also set a goal using the custom option as per your requirements by defining the goals from the scratch. First, let us set the goal from the templates. If your goal involves any kind of payment or monetary transaction, use any of the given template from the revenue option. For example, we are online seller. Once the payment is made by the user, we will say the goal is achieved. Just for illustration purpose, let me select the template Make a Payment and select Continue. Give any name to the goal for your reference purpose. Let the Google slot be default. Actually, you can set up to 20 goal slots. This one is very important, that is type. In Google Analytics, you can set 4 types of goals, and these are destination, duration, page or screen per session, lastly the events. Let me explain them one by one. First, we have the destination. It means that you will define your goal on the basis of a specific page destination. If a user reaches to this page after performing some activities, then you will see that your goal has been achieved. For example, a user is browsing few products from your website. He added one product to the cart and make the payment. After this, there is a thank you page for buying of the product that will be visible to your customer. It simply means that when anyone will reach to this thank you page, the conversion has happened. In this case, we will design one thank you page and we will tell the Google Analytics that if any person landing on this page, it will be treated as one goal. I hope you have understood the concept of thank you page. Actually, the thank you page is our destination page. Next, we have the duration. Sometimes we have to define the goals on the basis of time spent by the user on a given page or a website. If user spend a specified time as defined by us, it will be treated as one goal. For example, in case of blogs, if user spends more than 5 minutes that we set on our website, one goal will be achieved. Google Analytics will track it. If any user spent 5 or more than 5 minutes on your website, then it will be counted as one goal. Next, we have the page per session. Here, time doesn't matter. I would like to track how many pages are visited by the user in the given session. In this case, we will set number of pages and Google Analytics will track it. So lastly, we have the event. Event is any activity which is happening on your website. For example, playing of video or downloading of PDF. So we can define one event as one goal in the Google Analytics, and Google Analytics will track it. So this was the basic introduction to the various types of goals that we can set under Google Analytics. So we will continue this process of defining the goals in the next video as well. So just join me.